Hi, this is Ron Janish. The phone's been a ringing, and there's a lot of people apparently that want to see more of the original Andrews documents. I'll scan them in one at a time, and I'll put them up here in this particular section. I'm only going to do about a handful. I've got so darn many. I just stuck my hand in, picked a few out, and here we are. This is a live cattle chart from way back when, and it shows the application of the 0 4 line for finding points where prices are likely to pivot, and some buy and sell points. In front of you now is another one that you see that's a discussion of warning lines and how to use them for determining major trend changes. Here's a live cattle chart from 1974 where Andrews shows some of the lines he used for placing orders and things like that. Here's one from the 70s, and this one Andrews focuses upon the use of the mini median lines for buy and sell orders. You can see the words sell here and buy and all that good kind of stuff, and which MLs he's using for what. Here's an old one that he sent out in 1974, and here he's using a cotton chart where he shows how the intersection of the lines used in a systematic fashion can be helpful in finding turning points. Here's another one from the 70s where he shows the use of action-reaction lines and his buy and sell points and his reasoning why. And in many cases, on the back of this particular document, there's a whole bunch of writing by hand. So that would probably further enhance the understanding of what was here and why he sent it. I'm flipping through these rather quickly. Hope you're getting the value that you want out of them. I've had so many people call me for this, so I'll give you another one in a second here. Here he goes into some detail on a 1970 chart where he talks about how you should really double your money every 6 months, and this is what he bases it on, and he goes into some detail here. Here, if you could actually read this stuff, which I guess I can, I'm sitting here with it in front of me. He talks about the various median lines and median line parallels and how within each ML, because you have bigger MLs and then you have smaller MLs, there were smaller MLs drawn, and that's what he wound up using for his buy and sell signals. That being the idea. And in a moment we will have the last one for you. Actually, we're going to have one more after this one probably. This one here, let's see, what does he show you? Let's take it out of here and take a look. He talks about the importance of having several lines to use as center lines and to see what happens when two or more reaction lines converge. You can see that right here in the middle here. Okay, the idea being that you can have reaction lines from two or more center lines, and when they converge is with price, then you have a good chance of a turning point. This is the last one. This was on the back of a document where on the front there was somebody his doctor sending an apology for losing money by not following certain course rules, which ironically aren't really in the course rules. But anyway, there were certain rules that he didn't follow, and he said had he followed those rules, everything would have worked out fine. And on the back here, it's a note from Dr. Andrews to Irving saying, gee, you put some money in that. If you'd like, I can help you out and I can get your money back or something like that. All right. I hope you got what you wanted, those of you that asked for this, and until next time.